Hi everyone, this video is atom economy for chemistry. Hopefully by the end of the video you should be able to do this, so please like and subscribe as that will help me out. Let's get on with question 1. So looking at our formula here at the top, you can see that the thing we need in the numerator would be the desired product. Now if you look at our question 1, this question will ask you to calculate the atom economy, and it says for producing magnesium chloride. So this is the desired product. Okay. And then we just have to think which one that is out of these, because these are our products, and magnesium chloride would be this one here. So the formula is asking you for the MR of the desired product, and we can use these relative atomic masses here to calculate that. What do they mean by those? So magnesium would have a 24 above it like that in the periodic table, and that is what they mean with that. So that's what we use for the MRs. Okay. Now for magnesium chloride, that would actually be magnesium and then 2 chlorines. Right? So there's actually 2 of those you need to worry about, and chlorine is 35.5. So here we've got 2 times, whoa, not sure what happened there. 2 times 35.5, and then add 24. So 2 lots of 35.5, 71, 24, that's going to give us 95. Okay, so that would be the MR of the desired product. And then we need the total MR of all products. Thinking that we've already got this one, which was 95. And then for hydrogen, which is just H2, meaning, again, it keeps going, 2 H's. And so H has a relative atomic mass of 1, so that's 2 times 1, or just 2 for that one. Okay, so if we add those together, that's a total of 97. And that would be what would go here. And so to calculate this atom economy, I'll just change colour. It would be 95 divided by 97 multiplied by 100. Okay, so that's exactly what you put into a calculator. Let's carry on. Okay, next one. Question 2. This is calcium carbonate decomposes when heated. Okay, so that produces calcium oxide and CO2. Again, if you read the question, it will tell you the desired product. Okay, desired products. So calcium oxide, this one here, which is just a calcium and an oxygen. So you can see calcium is 40 and oxygen is 16. So you've got 40 there, you've got 16 there. Add them up, gives you 56. And so that would be the MR of the desired product, 56. So we've got that one. Now we just need CO2, which is, it'll be carbon in the middle and 2 oxygens bound to it like that. So we've got 16s here for the oxygen, and for carbon we've got 12. So if we add that all up, that's going to give us 2 16s is 32, and then 12 we've got 44, I believe. So we put 44. We've got 44 for that, and we've got 56 calcium oxide. Add those together, that's going to give us 100. So you can see this is 56 over 100 times 100, which is 56%. Okay, so what it's doing really is it's giving you a measure of sort of like how much of the mass actually turns into the thing that you want it to become. Okay, because you've got to think MR is to do with relative mass. So it's kind of, as it's a ratio out of the total products, it's telling you basically the percentage of the product that comes out based on what you started with. So if you started with 100%, you get 56% desired product come out of that. Okay, I hope that helped. If it did, please do like and subscribe, and I will be doing percentage yield next.